My fish tank got a leak in it, which resulted in me having to buy a new fish tank. I got a new fish tank made by Top Fin. My old fish tank got a leak in it, so I had to go out and I had to get a new fish tank. So this is the unboxing. So let me see if I can get this open. We can see what's in the box. Here's the lid. Here's the filter to it. The filter. And here's the tank. And this tank right here this is a Top Fin hexagon aquarium, and this is a 2-gallon fish tank. It's a 2-gallon fish tank. I have a betta fish that I'm going to put in here. I need to get it set up and get water and stuff put in it and everything. So I'll be right back. This is a 2-gallon Top Fin fish tank. I have one betta in here. And it was pretty simple and easy to put together. Thanks for watching this video.